Namaste, I'm your Kalyani. Today I'm here with another session of Life's Lessons. Today's topic I want to talk about is commitment beyond convenience. New beginnings require courage. We all face moments in life when the easy choice is to walk away, to give up, or to choose our own comfort over what's right. But I've learned that the most meaningful and powerful parts of our journey are found in the opposite direction, in commitment beyond convenience. I've I've worked as a HR for 20 plus years. Most of the companies or organizations I've worked for 3.5 years, 4 years. But I have seen people work throughout their career in one company. I'm awestruck when I look at them. That's a commitment. For me, the reason I had to move was I wanted to learn the mindset of people in different industries. Work with people from different industries with different mindsets, different kind of beliefs, different kinds of actions they take at work, different challenges they come across in their day to day lives. And that pushed me to get into more deeper aspect of human psychology. And through the process, there are several lessons that I have learned. I just would like to share a few. The power of loyalty. My first lesson is about the power of loyalty, and I felt in this world, the values, what's quick and easy, are adopted, adapted, and practiced. For example, what is convenient for me, I make it as a value or a rule. And world values that. Staying committed to the right people and the right values bring incredible kind of strength. We are taught from childhood to be loyal, to be truthful. It means choosing loyalty over personal comfort. It's about trusting that even when things are difficult, many of the connections are what truly matters. It's in the small daily decisions of our day to day life, the daily decisions of faithfulness, that we build foundations for deeper and more meaningful relationships. For example, we have friends at every stage in our life. How many of us mean friendship and make friends? As we grow, we start slacking with it. Do you agree with me? While we were in school or in college, we make friends because of friendship. But over a period of time, we make friends because of a reason. This is what I was trying to explain when it comes to power of loyalty. The next lesson I learned is about impact of integrity. Whether in our actions or in our words, acting with honesty and respect is essential. It's about being diligent in our daily task, generous in our spirit. I've learned that a simple act of kindness or a moment of humility can open doors you never expected. Integrity builds trust, and truth is the currency of lasting relationships. Now, I'm taking professional example. It's because it will relate to all of us. Only if my bosses trust me, only if my bosses believe that I have that integrity, will they give me the crucial task for me to handle. Do you agree with me? Obviously, when I say I come from HR, we possess the details of so many employees, right from their background to their current role, what they earn, what they do for tax saving. It's just not HR, even the finance people. We get to know these. But organization believes in each and every one of us in that department, thinking we will not share this. It's a confidential information. We will not discuss it. And I was awestruck when I joined this field to see that people talk anything and everything, but not about these stuff. That's when I learned not to share anybody's salary details or discuss about anybody's income, anybody's savings. It's not right. Those employees trust us and share the details, and we got to be worthy of it and not discuss about it. Not only that, now I'm going to the most crucial aspect. As I moved up to the ladder, the organization's decisions, the organization's strategy, the organization's plan of action for the next year or quarter or whatever period of time. We used to plan and discuss this. And this never used to leave that particular room where we had this discussion. Nobody would even get a slightest hint of it. And that I could sense in me how I could evolve from an executive level to a management level where I could handle confidential, most crucially confidential information. This built in the lasting relationship. As I grew, my bosses started trusting me. As I grew, the employees started trusting me. So the power of loyalty and impact of integrity is very, very crucial in our career. Same way, if we extrapolate that in our life, it plays a very important role. We may share blood relationship with all our siblings, relatives, blah, blah, blah. But it's the power of loyalty and the impact of integrity that makes us get close to somebody and for them to feel that we are a family for them. Same thing holds good for us. We feel somebody is loyal in the family. We feel somebody has got that integrity. They will not share what we confide with them. We only tend to get close to them. We only tend to move a lot with them. Finally, through it all I felt was this. All of this requires is a new courage, a new beginning. It takes courage to trust God's plan when it doesn't align with our own timeline. It takes courage to step forward after a loss and to wait with patience for things to unfold. But it's in these moments of brave commitment that we create a meaningful legacy. The choices we make today, even the most ordinary ones, are shaping a great purpose that extends far beyond ourselves. So, through this journey in my career, I felt from executive level to the senior most management level, wherever I have grown, wherever I have seen that growth, wherever I have seen handling responsibility with power, with loyalty, with integrity, and showing that impact, I have only faced with courage and I was open for new beginnings. So I encourage you to choose commitment over convenience, because it's there that you will find strength for new beginnings and the power to create a lasting impact. This is my message to one and all who are pursuing a career, immaterial, whichever stage in your life. Have that in mind. You should be committed beyond your convenience. And you need to have that courage for new beginnings at every stage in your career and in your life. If you're able to relate to what I'm saying, you have good examples to the topic that I have shared. And if you feel you have learned quite a lot of lessons in your life, please feel free to message me or DM me, and I'll be happy to discuss with you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.